The blue planet turned in the cosmos for millennia upon millennia. The good Mother Earth was watching. She saw that it was suffering. The seas were dying. The trees were being ripped from their home. The beautiful people were starving. The helpless were being overrun. Her world was being consumed by fire. And the life was being taken from all she had created. All her work was being choked and killed. All for greed. What could she do? What could she do?